Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Capital One. Now, of course, we know Capital One has multiple different credit cards, but today specifically, we will be talking about the business Spark 1% Classic credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you could be approved for this card with a low 580, high 669 credit score and up. Now, a good thing about this credit card is this can help you build your personal credit and your business credit. So, if you do have a small or big business, I will highly recommend this credit card. Now, the good thing about this card is they have 1% unlimited rewards. Earn unlimited 1% cashback for your business on every purchase, everywhere, no limits or category restrictions. Plus, earn unlimited 5% cashback on hotels and rentals cars booked through Capital One Travel. Another great thing about this credit card is there is a zero annual fee. Okay, a card with no annual fee, so you can focus on building for the future. They also give you the business grade benefit, get access to business grade features and benefits, including digital tools that help you manage your expenses and employee spending with ease. Now, the purchase rate for this card varies up to 30.49% with your Spark 1% Classic card. And again, this is for helping you build your personal credit and your business credit. So if you own a small business, this could be a perfect card for you. Now, they do not have any type of pre-approval. So if you apply for this credit card, you would get hit with the hard inquiry whether you were approved or denied. Okay. And another great thing about this, you can earn up to $1,200 in cash back annually. Okay. That is also great. They have the automatic payments, zero fraud liability, in year summaries, account managers, purchase records, virtual credit cards as well. So, again, if you have a small business and you have little to no credit, this card can be for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.